Hey everyone! So we're going to do yarn pull today on an 11 by 14 oval. I've already mixed up my white. This is iridescent medium mixed with white, and I like that warm pudding consistency. So it's a little bit thicker than what we normally use for paint pouring. So that way it lays better. If you're using it thinner, it may sink into your paint more. This helps to keep the color there. So I use yarn when I do my pulls. It just gives you a little thicker flower. So we will get this soaked up here. I do have the Purple Lake base coat down. That color is from Creative Inspirations, and you can get it from Jerry's Artorama online. So I'm going to go ahead right in the middle first and get my first flower started. And it's okay if you drip. You'll get them. Don't freak out. I used to freak out all the time like, I dripped. But you end up getting it anyways. So I'm not even going to dab it because that's where my other flower is going to go. So I let it set for just a few seconds before I pull it to let that paint kind of meld into the purple. And then I pull. And the reason I love this Purple Lake is when you pull these, it'll bring up a different color in the middle of those petals. And I never use the same string twice. It's just me. You can wipe that off and use it again. I don't. It's all about contamination with me. I just don't want to take any chances of having that purple get in here, first of all. I want to keep this as white as possible. But if you're laying your color on your pad, you could do that. You could get away with it. When I'm using chain, I even rinse the chain off. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead on this side. We're going to do the same thing. We'll let that one drip on the pad. And I'll go in with smaller pieces, and we'll be putting bigger little flower edges in, so it won't be so sparse. That's what I meant to say. I'm getting tired. It's been a long week already, and it's only the beginning of the week. So I'm filming way ahead of when you're seeing this, so. Okay. Same thing here. My fingers got a little kooky there for a minute. All right. Okay, so there's our three main flowers. So now we're going to go in and add little ones here and there to fill up the gaps. Oops, almost got my whole thing in there. I'm going to put one here. And we'll drag that one out. I like doing these. They're very pretty, and they're nice for like Mother's Day and Valentine's Day to give to a parent or a grandma or because they all like their flower stuff. I'm partial to flower paintings anyways. Let's put another one here, because that kind of got lost. I might be able to get a hook there. Let's see. Okay, and then I'll put something down here, but I want to go right here, I think. And don't worry, I'll show you too. I'll turn it around and show it to you when I'm done. So if you're new, go ahead and click that subscribe button while you're here. And hit that bell, you'll get notified when I put another video up. Alright, so now I'm going to work on the bottom. Sorry. That leaf bigger. Then I need one here, and then I want to put one at the very bottom of the middle stalk. So a lot of people do them different. A lot of girls do the zigzag. I tried it. I like the fuller flower look that you get with doing the circles. I think I need one here. I cut a piece. Just a small one. I could sit and play with this all day, but I won't. Let's put it here. That's better. So now I'm going to need one there, just to offset that one. You could go in and just put them more and more. Like this lost its stem, so I may go there and fix that real quick. But I've seen them where like the whole canvas is just full. They're pretty, but I also like simple. I love it when people see these and they're like, how did you do that? And I'm like, yarn. And they're like, what do you mean yarn? I said, go check it out on the YouTube. You can learn anything on YouTube. I know we have. Good, I'm happy with that. So let me give you this way real quick, and then let me wipe my hands. Get the white off, and I'll lift it up for you. So that is your yarn pull. But see, the insides of those pull different colors, which makes it really pretty. So there you go, guys. Check out all those links below. Click like, leave a comment. Join me on Facebook. Shop with me on Etsy. We'll have more paintings up very soon. For paint pouring supplies, use our Amazon link below. If you wanted us to paint with a gadget that you find in the store, send it to us. Either myself or Ellen will play with it and we'll do a video on it. But I think we're good. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you all on the next one. Bye now.